Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science class. Civics, Unit 2, Citizens and Citizenship. These were the topics which you have studied in the previous class. Citizens and Citizenship, Types of Citizen, Acquisition of Citizenship, Laws of Indian Citizenship, Single Citizenship, and Rights and Duties of Citizen. Now, we are going to learn about overseas citizenship of India, qualities of a good citizen, global citizenship. Overseas citizenship of India, NRI. The full form of NRI, non-resident Indian. Who is non-resident Indian? An Indian citizen who is residing outside India and holds an Indian passport. Next, PIO, person on Indian origin. A person whose any ancestors was an Indian nationals and who is presently holding another country's citizenship. Next, OCI, Overseas Citizen of India. It is an immigration status permitting a foreign citizen of Indian origin to live and work in the Republic of India indefinitely. What is overseas citizenship of India? OCI status was created especially for Indian immigrants. It can obtained by any Indian descent. Until 2005, the Indian government did not permit dual citizenship. The Citizenship Amendment Act of 2005 was passed. The 2005 Act created the Overseas Citizenship of India, that is OCI, category to allow foreign citizens of Indian origin to live and work in India. OCI is not equivalent to Indian citizenship. OCI status has certain restrictions. Individuals with OCI status cannot vote in India. Next, qualities of a good citizen. A good citizen is always respectful. First point, loyalty to the Constitution. A citizen should be loyal to own constitution. Second, obeys laws. He or she should obey the law. Third, contributes to society and community and performs civic duty. We should do our duty properly. Fourth, quality of goodness and justice. We should have quality of goodness and justice. Finally, respecting diversity. We should respect our diversity. We are, particularly India, is very famous for diversity. So, as a citizen, it is our duty to respect diversity. Next, global citizenship. Global citizenship is an idea that everyone, no matter where they live, is part of a worldwide community rather than as a citizen of particular nation or place. So, apart from belonging to the particular country in the world, we should think as a global citizenship. It is a fundamental in enabling young people, especially you, to access and participate in shaping modern society. So, it is in your hand to shape our modern society. Conclusion. Our Constitution of India has introduced single citizenship and provides uniform rights for the people of India to promote the feeling of paternity and unity among them to build an integrated Indian nation. So, our government has provided uniform rights to all the people belonging to this country. Students, shall we recall the points which we discussed? Yes. Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state. Next, Part 2 of the Constitution of India, Articles 5 to 11, deals with the citizenship of India. Next, Indian Citizenship Act of 1955 provides for the acquisition and termination of Indian citizenship. Finally, our Indian Constitution provides for single citizenship. Okay, students, thank you.